Good morning, students. We learn English grammar. Today's our topic is action words or doing words. Action words. First, we define the what is action words. Words which show some action are called action words. जो वर्ड्स हमें कोई भी एक्शन करके दिखा रहे हैं, कोई भी काम करके दिखा रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्लाइंग, कुकिंग, वाटरिंग, ड्रिंकिंग, प्लेइंग, स्लीपिंग, ऐसे बहुत सारे वर्ड हैं जो हमें एक्शन करके दिखाते हैं. तो ऑल वर्ड्स आर एक्शन वर्ड्स और डूइंग वर्ड. जो भी काम हम करते हैं देन वी कैन से दीज आर द डूइंग वर्ड्स. नाउ सम एग्जाम्पल टू अंडरस्टैंड द व्हाट इज एक्शन वर्ड. चूज द करेक्ट वर्ड्स एंड सर्कल इट. सी इज ड्रिंकिंग और ईटिंग अ मैंगो. नाउ हम मैंगो को क्या कर सकते हैं? ईट कर सकते हैं, ड्रिंक करते हैं. नाउ ईट, द एक्शन वर्ड इज ईटिंग. देन सर्कल, वी सर्कल हियर ईटिंग वर्ड. Eating. Next one is the teacher is swimming or reading a book. Now swimming oblique reading. Then teacher क्या कर रहा है? Reading a book, not swimming. Swimming is wrong and reading is right. Next one is Sam is washing or wearing his car. अब हम कार को क्या कर सकते हैं? वॉश कर सकते हैं. Then here action word is washing. Wearing is wrong word. The telephone is ringing or walking. अब टेलीफोन क्या करता है? रिंग करता है या फिर वॉक करता है? रिंग करता है. Then the action word is here ringing. The telephone is reading, not walking. Birds are barking oblique chirping on the tree. Then barking किसके लिए यूज होगा? Dogs are barking but birds are chirping. Then we use here chirp करते हैं. Chirping, birds are chirping on the tree. Barking is wrong here. He is wearing and playing chess. Chess को हम क्या करते हैं? Chess is a game, indoor game. Then we play. He is play chess. Then action word is playing. He is playing chess is right. An action word tells what happens. Action words हमें क्या बताते हैं? एक्चुअल में क्या happen, क्या हो रहा है. Read each sentence and write the action words. First one, the boy painting. The boy painting. Paints. Sorry. The boy paints. अब action तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Paint. Then the action word क्या होगा? Painting. Action word is painting. Next one is the vet listens. Listen का action word क्या होगा? हमें क्या इस word को देखना है और उसका action word लिखना है, doing word लिखना है. Next one is she will color and the action word of color is coloring. She will coloring. Next one is birds can fly. Now the doing word is fly and action word is flying. Next one is the friends talk. Doing word is talk and action word is the friends talking. She can run. Now doing action word of run is running. The children's play and the action word of play is playing. He can swim and the action word of swim is swimming. He can throw and the action word is throw is throwing. Ram will color. Ram will coloring. Coloring. So these are the action words. Now some picture examples to understand for little kids. Now see this picture. The girl what type of action is doing? The girl is eating. Now we see girl is eating. Then action word is eating. And look at that picture. The girl is drinking. We see the which type of action the girl is doing? Drinking. Then we circle here. Drinking is the action word. Now see this picture. The boys are playing. Then the action word is which type of action the boys are doing? Playing. The action word is playing. And in this picture the action is doing writing. The girl is writing. Here writing is action word. Ram is running. Here which type of action Ram is doing? Running. Running is action word. And here this girl is which type of action is doing? Skipping. Then the skipping is the action word. The girl is skipping. And here which type of action this this girl is doing? The girl is singing. The girl is singing here. Then the action is singing. The boys, the action, which type of action the boy is doing? Reading a book. The boy is reading. Here reading is action word. And which type of action this is? So teaching. A teacher is teaching in the class. The teacher is teaching. Then here action word is teaching. So today's my class is action words, and we meet in next class. Happy learning. Bye bye.